gotta go. Check out your new home.
Yeah, this is going to be your new home. A lot more room to run around in.
Around, yeah.
Feel free to go anywhere. Check it out.
Oops.
And Sassy's already back here. What do you girls think?
Good morning, everybody. I guess Steve showed you guys where we're moving to. Well, we get to take you guys along with us today. We are going to be taking the cats over there for the first time so they can see the new place before everything gets moved in. And we're also going to take a load over there so that way we can start moving stuff over there. And sorry, I just lost track of mine. And then I'm gonna do some cleaning up over there a little bit, and then start moving all the little stuff over there. So that's all we got left to bring over there, are all the big stuff. So we'll bring you along so you guys see what's going on.
Okay, we are back at the new place, and she's here.
Bye.
And we brought the girls so they can see, sorry about the light there, so they can actually check the place out for themselves, see how they like it.
For the very first time.
For the very first time. Here we go.
You gotta go. Check out your new home.
Yeah, this is going to be your new home. A lot more room to run around in.
Around, yeah.
Feel free to go anywhere. Check it out.
Oops.
And Sassy's already back here. What do you girls think? This is where we're going to be living, Sassy. The baby girl is right here.
And we brought a makeshift cat litter pan for them.
Yeah, for now. Oh, you always have to check out the bathtub. What do you girls think? This is going to be your new home. A lot more room to run around in, too. Right for the closet. What do you think, Sassy? Man, you can really run, can't you? What do you think, baby girl? You gonna like your new house? Sassy's running around like crazy. She's like, I can run. You wanna go back here and check it out, Sassy? And look at Sassy run. She's having fun, running all over the place. Oh, baby, look what Grandma's got.
Here, come.
They're like, yeah, we don't want to play right now. We want to investigate. Sassy.
Oh, that place she feels safe in,
Yeah.
so.
This is going to be your new house. You can run around like crazy in here. We'll check back. Oh,
Grandma got
I almost dropped you guys. Sorry about that.
Grandma got toys.
So we'll check back in with them.
Another toy?
Okay, so we are packing the girls up. They're right in there. See, there they are. Getting ready to head back to the other place where we're going to do some more packing so we can get this thing done. But the place is coming along. They kind of like it. Sassy's more reserved than baby girl is. She was having more fun playing around. So we are currently headed back to the other place. Right?
Yeah. And it's freezing out there, so
It's freezing, yeah.
we got a nice warm blanket, so all you pet lovers out there know we're not just bringing the babies out in freezing cold weather. They got a blanket that they're laying on, And then this will go over top of them like so. So see, they're still safe. And they're still like the hey, hi!
There's a tail sticking out.
No, that wasn't a tail, that was her paw. She was grabbing at the blanket, like, no.
Hi, girls.
Well, okay, well,
Baby girl wants to stay here. Sassy wants to go back. So we are back here at the other place. It's actually the next day. Christine just left to do some work stuff and shopping and stuff like that. Sassy is right here, and baby, they're just chilling and relaxing on the bed near the heater where it's nice and warm because it is very cold outside. Matter of fact, let me show you what it's doing outside. There you go. There you go. It snowed this morning, and they're talking about blowing snow, fluffy snow, stuff you don't want to drive in today, so there may be a driving ban. We don't know. It's Buffalo, right? So give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're brand new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we would really love you to join our family and to join the journey that we are on. And we want to take you guys with us. So we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.